Good evening, everyone. There's 2 days left in the trading week, and I am posting a midweek market analysis after FOMC. I want to start with the daily. We were trading in this range. It looked like we were starting to break out of this, kind of below the 59.15 level. We had a strong close down, but we hit this level at 58.22. And since then, we have rallied. On Monday, we gapped down, and we've been consolidating in this area since then. So the first thing that I want to point out is on this pullback, on Monday when we gapped down, we wicked below the 50% retracement, and on the 4-hour, it looks like that. So on the 4-hour, we didn't close below it. We wicked below it, rejected from that point, and then this profile on the right is the current month, so all of January. We had a lot of volume in this area, so price could not just, it kind of went to the bottom side of it, but quickly rejected, and now we've been pushing up. The last move up, when we went down into that level, we really haven't exceeded the 38.2 retracement on this. And the one thing I'm looking at is this volume here is Wednesday, the 29th. We had FOMC. It was very volatile, but overall just a range. And in the overnight, we've started to push above that. So this line is today's value high, and this is today's value low. So tomorrow when we open, I would find it difficult to think that price is going to come all the way back into this if there's not heavy selling. It appears that the market is trying to push up, so I'm going to be looking for longs. I'm going to have right there some areas that I'm looking at to the top side where I want to see it breach and keep going and not just be a stop run and get rejected and come back down. The longer term targets are filling this gap, but I would say 61.27, 61.32, and then above that 61.39. The thing that I am aware of is there's this volume here. So if we do breach into this and start to trade above it, I would expect price to continue up to the top side of this, which coincides with these levels here. So I'm going to be looking for a longer term target of 61.39. Again, if price gets up there and there's momentum going into the end of the week, but we'll just have to see and see how that plays out. On a shorter time frame, again, I think seeing how price trades around this 81 level, right below today's value high. But I think that we could see price consolidate and then try to make another move higher. So that's what I'm looking at. That's the analysis for this week. I don't think there's anything else that I'm missing or that I want to touch on. So those are the levels. I'll send an update on Friday, and good luck trading.